Hi, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I'm creating the perfect card with the Perfect Pomegranate stamp set. Follow along. To begin with, I'm die cutting 3 different leafy shapes, all in basic white cardstock with the Splendid Stems dies. Then I'm coloring each of the shapes with a different Stampin' Blend marker. First up is Dark Daffodil Delight. I'm being a little bit careful to keep the brush end of the marker angled sideways for more coverage and to not tear the thin cutout. I'm using dark old olive on this next shape. And the last one is Light Parakeet Party. The die cuts have matching stamps from the Splendid Day set. I'm stamping one image with old olive ink. And the second image I'm stamping with Parakeet Party ink. I'm using Blackberry Bliss ink for my pomegranates. To soften the look and add some sparkle, I'm going over all of the Blackberry Bliss ink with a Wink of Stella brush. The Wink of Stella lightens the ink color a little bit too. Be sure to wipe off any of the transferred ink color by brushing the Wink of Stella on a piece of scrap paper until it runs clear. Then I stamp the seeds right on top of the Wink of Stella. Use paper snips to fussy cut around the pomegranates. Remember to move the cardstock, not the scissors. I'm using Design a Daydream pattern paper and a piece of basic white cardstock, both cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. A little piece of removable tape holds the split card textures die in place for die cutting. I have another piece of basic white cardstock cut to the same measurement for the inside of my card, and I'm stamping the pomegranates in the lower right corner. A layer of Wink of Stella here matches the ones that will be on the front of the card. My card base is Blackberry Bliss, cut to 4 1/4 inches by 8 1/2 inches, and scored down the middle at 4 1/4 inches. Next, I'm lining the narrow edges of the die-cut cardstock with foam adhesive strips. And I'm using pieces of foam adhesive sheet for the larger area to really support the lattice front. Combination of liquid glue, mini dimensionals, and glue dots adhere the stem die cuts and the pomegranates for lots of dimension and layers. And 3 brushed brass butterflies finish it off. You can find written instructions for this card at Please hit that subscribe button to be notified of more of my videos. Thanks for watching!